The most common problems that I tend to see with clients is one, you have the clients who are thinking proactively and they think, okay, I want to migrate from an older version of SQL Server and Windows to a newer version and maybe a technology upgrade in the mix, right? I might be trying to virtualize. I might be deciding I'm going to go to the cloud and I need to plan for that. I know it's 6 months away and we need to have a way to do it in such a way that I'm not going to need a whole weekend worth of outage to get that done. So that's one of the more popular things that happens. And the other one is a client who's in a crisis and needs some help. So whether it's because they're having failovers in their high availability platform, or they're working on some performance problems, or their backups are failing, or they're having some other kind of a failure. Those are the two main directions that clients come at me from, right? And they require a little bit different response. One is obviously a lot more urgent than others. And most of my clients understand that if we're in the middle of something, I'm working on an ongoing project for you, or even just on a status call, if another client calls and says, I've got an emergency, I've got a server down, I've got a performance problem and no one can get the system to work, that we're going to move to that situation because they understand that they'll get exactly the same treatment when their turn comes around. So everybody's pretty understanding in that way. But those are the two most common areas that I get called about.